Hi Year 6 and welcome to the maths homework answers for today. Today I'm going through fraction multiplication questions 1 to 6, so let's get started. I'm going to work through the different fraction ones first and then come back to the whole number by fractions at the end. So when you're multiplying two fractions together, you multiply across your numerators and then across your denominators. So 4 times 2 is 8 and 7 times 7 is 49. As I said, I'm going to skip number 2 and come back to it. Number 3, 3 times 1 is 3, and 8 times 4 is 32. This one here, same again. 5 times 2, said the answer in the question then. 5 times 2 is 10, and 9 times 3 is 27. Again, I'm going to skip number 5 to do it at the end. Number 6 here, 1/2 times 6/7. So 1 times 6 is 6, and 2 times 7 is 14. Now you may have noticed for this one, we could simplify it because I could divide them both by 2. And so if you did that, you would have got 3/7 as a final answer. If you didn't simplify, it doesn't matter at all. 6/14 is also correct. Let's go back now then to the ones which are fractions times whole numbers. Now I like to think of these as just anything else that you've got 4 of. So here you've got 4/9. You could have 4 pounds, 4 pence, 4 meters, 4 kilometers. And if you were timesing that by 6, it would just be 4 times 6 of that thing. Okay, so where you've got 4 times 9, you're only multiplying the numerator. 4/9 times 6 will be 24/9. Okay, 6 times 4 gets your 24, and the denominator remains as 9. Now that answer is absolutely correct, but you can also convert to your mixed number. So you're thinking how many wholes, how many lots of 9 are in 24? You will have 2, and that would be 18, and then you'd be left with 6/9. If you went on to simplify that, you would have got 2 and 2/3 by dividing them both by 3. Any one of those answers is right, okay? This is the most simplified version, but the improper fraction or the unsimplified mixed are also correct. Let's pop down now to number 5 and do the same thing. So 3/4. If I've got 4 lots of 3/4, 4 times 3 is 12. I would have 12/4. Okay, again, the answer as an improper fraction is absolutely correct, but you can turn that back to a mixed number because the top number is bigger. How many wholes have I got? 4 times 3 is 12, so actually I've got exactly 3 wholes. So your answer is 3. Again, 12/4 is absolutely correct, so you can have either one. For next time then, let's do the next 6, so 7 to 12 on the fraction multiplication, and you'll have answers for those on Monday. Thanks for watching.